time zones. Okay. See, the concept of time zone that we are using today, the present concept of time zone that we are all following was first given by Sir Stanford Fleming. He was a very popular geographer, and he was also a horologist. Horology is study of time. Horology is study of time. Okay. So he was a very popular horologist as well as geographer. He is the one who gave the concept of time zones that we follow today. Okay. The concept of time zone came into existence in the year 1884 at the World Meridional Conference. World Meridional Conference held at Washington DC. Washington DC, capital of USA. Okay. DC stands for District of Columbia. So please remember, Washington DC, World Meridional Conference took place in the year 1884. So this is where it was implemented for the first time. It came into existence in the year 1884. Okay. So Sir Stanford Fleming. So this question will come. Who suggested the concept of time zone that we use today? Okay. He said Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Correct? That we all know. Earth takes how many hours? 24 hours. To complete one rotation, Earth takes 24 hours approximately. Exactly 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4 seconds. Approximately 24 hours. So it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So we have 24 time zone. Easy, correct? Very simple thing. So he said we have how many time zones? 24 time zones. That means what? Each time zone is equal to 1 hour. Each time zone is equal to 1 hour. Okay, very easy. One rotation, 24 hours. We have 24 time zones. Each time zone is equal to 1 hour. Simple? Yes. Can I go to next slide? I'll do that again in the next slide. One rotation, 24 hours. So we have 24 time zones. So each time zone is equal to 1 hour. That is also clear. One rotation means what? Earth should spin 360 degree. Correct? One rotation means Earth should spin 360 degree. In how many hours? 24 hours. Okay. That means in 1 hour, Earth is spinning how many degrees? 24 hours, Earth is spinning 360. In 1 hour, 360 divided by 24. Okay, 15. Clear? 360 degree divided by 24. That is 15 degree. That means in 1 hour, Earth spins 15 degree. 1 hour is same as one time zone. That means each time zone is how many degrees? 15 degree. Each time zone is 15 degree. Clear? Clear till now? Very easy. Okay. So please remember. So 1 hour, 15 degree. That is each time zone is 15 degree. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Correct. 1 hour is 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, Earth is completing 15 degree. So that means in 1 degree of Earth spin is carried out in how many minutes? 60 divided by 15. 4. Yes. So another simple calculation. 60 minutes divided by 15. You'll get 4 minutes. So 1 degree of Earth spin takes 4 minutes. Okay? Easy. Very easy till now. So if you know all this basics, so they have asked question like UPPSC, Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission paper mein, they had asked 3 time zone is equal to how many degree they have asked? 45 degree. 3 time zone is how many degree they are asking? 15 plus 15 plus 15, 45. Easy. Like that they're asking, very silly question they're asking. Okay. But if you don't know, that becomes a hurdle. So each time zone is 15 degree. This also they have asked. 1 degree of Earth's spin takes how many minutes? Because we all know meridians, yesterday's class, meridians are lines running north, south. Correct? Prime meridian is there, 0, then 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. The distance between them is 1 degree spacing, correct? 0 to 1, 1 to 2, like that. We have 1 degree spacing between them. Each 1 degree is equal to how many kilometers? Yesterday I told you 111 kilometers or 69 miles. Check your notes yesterday. I told you between two meridians, the distance near equator is maximum, and that is equal to 111 kilometers. So Earth spins 111 kilometers in how many minutes? They are asking. Indirectly they are asking 1 degree spin ke liye how many minutes Earth is taking? 4 minutes. So 111 kilometers rotate karne ke liye Earth is taking how many? 4 minutes. Like that they are asking. That applied they are asking now. Okay. So if they ask you applied also, you should be able to answer now. Now you know. Because each degree is 111 kilometers. Okay. Please remember that. Next. So Sir Stanford Fleming divided the Earth into 24 time zones. 12 time zones to the east, 12 time zones to the west. I'll take the globe here. So overall, this is 360, correct? The entire Earth, what we have is 360 degree. 360. He suggested, Sir Stanford Fleming suggested that this prime meridian, I told you there are so many meridians, 360 meridians we have, correct? Overall we have 360 meridians. He said the prime meridian, 0 degree, should pass through a place here. 0 degree, that is prime meridian should pass through a place called Greenwich. Many people pronounce it as Greenwich, but it is Greenwich. W silent hai yahan pe. UK English mein. Greenwich. Okay, please remember. It's a place next to London. Country UK. United Kingdom. Country called UK here. UK. England. London. Next to London is Greenwich. He said the prime meridian should pass through this place. Why? First reason he gave. There is a Royal Observatory here. Royal Observatory. Observatory is a place from where we gaze stars, planets. Correct? From place where we see stars, planets and all. Like our Jantar Mantar. Remember we have Jantar Mantar. Ujjain, Jaipur, Delhi is our astronomical observatories. Built by Savai Jai Singh II, Maharaja of Jaipur. Maharaja of Jaipur built Jantar Mantar. We also have observatories. Ancient than this, more ancient than this. Jantar Mantar, all of you know. Jantar Mantar place built by Savai Jai Singh II, Maharaja, founder of Jaipur. Okay, please remember. We have one in Ujjain, one in Jaipur, one in Delhi. The one in Ujjain is very popular. Our astronomers, Indian astronomers across the country, Indian geographers like Bhaskaracharya, Varahamira, correct, Brahmagupta, they all considered Ujjain as the center for considering Indian time. For calculating Indian time, we take Ujjain as center. Okay, please remember this. Means our time concept is more ancient than theirs. This came in 1884. Ours is more 2000 years old. So Ujjain was considered as reference. Even today, let's say any person born in India, your Janma Kundali, there is something called birth chart or Kundali is prepared using Ujjain as center, as reference. Your birthplace, Hyderabad, with respect to Ujjain, they use to calculate your birth chart like that. Astrology. In astrology, correct, one of the, again, very ancient science. So that also is calculated with reference to Ujjain as center. Please remember. Coming back, Greenwich. Greenwich is a place next to London, England, UK. So there is a Royal Observatory here from where we see sky, stars and all. That is one reason he selected this place. First reason. Second reason, by selecting 0 as prime here through this place, 0 to pass through Greenwich, the opposite of 0 is what? 180. See here. If this is 0, all of us here, if this is 0, opposite of 0 would be 180 here. The 180 will exactly fall on Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean here. So that will help us in calculating time well without any time confusion. It will avoid time confusion. You'll understand what time confusion, you'll understand in half an hour. So please remember, 0 opposite is 180. It will pass through which ocean? Pacific Ocean. You select any other place. You take India as 0. If you take 0, here 180 will come on land and North America ke upar aayega. If you take any other place, the opposite will come on land. So this is the only place where the opposite will come on the Pacific. Exactly in the middle of the Pacific, avoiding all the land. So he selected this place. He selected Greenwich for this reason. This concept came into force because UK was the superpower. In 1884, 70 plus countries were under the control of UK. UK was the superpower. Whatever they say, it was final. So as a result, even we have to follow this. We had to follow. UK being the superpower. UK was the superpower back then. And he's also UK citizen. Okay, as a result, this came into existence. UK being the superpower, the concept of time zone was imposed on everyone. That you also follow. Every country had to follow. Okay. So please remember, so 0 degree prime meridian passes through Greenwich. So today, time is calculated with respect to this place all around the world. So the word GMT is Greenwich Meridian Time. GMT. All of you might have heard of this. GMT. Okay. What is G? This place. M is yesterday's class. Meridian. Time. Greenwich Meridian Time. GMT. Some people call it as Greenwich Mean Time. But it's actually Greenwich Meridian Time. Okay. I'll show you that now. So Sir Stanford Fleming divided the world into 24 time zones. See here, since this is only ocean, 180 degree, Pacific Ocean, correct, no land, I'll cut the globe here. When I cut the globe here, correct, exactly 360, what I'll get? 0 to 180 I'll get, 0 to 180. 2 180s I'll get. If I cut the globe here, 0 to 180, 0 to 180. Clear? I'll write that now. For this you have to wait. I'll go to the next page. This center is 0. This side 12 time zone. This side 12 time zone. This side is east. This side is west. Notice this. 12 time zone. Each time zone is 1 hour. So this is 15 degree 1 hour. 30. 45. 60. 75. 90. 105. 120 degree. 135. 150. 165. Last one. 180. See, I'm getting 180. All of you understood how I'm writing? 15 degrees you have to add. Jump 15 degree. Because each 15 degree is equal to 1 hour. Okay. Because where did we cut the globe? 180. Okay. So you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, 12. To the east. All this you have to read. 15 degree east you have to read. 30 degree east. 45 degree east. 60 degree east. 75 east. Like this you have to read. If you don't have to write also, fine, no problem. But I'm writing here. East. Okay. This is 15 degree. This side also you write. 15 degree west. 30 degree west. 45. 60 degree. 75. 90. 105. 120. 135. 150. 165. Last number 180. Back to the same line 180. Okay. So this is west. West. Start writing now on the plain page. Divide your notebook like this. 0 to 180 this side, 0 to 180 this side. Okay. I'll ask for the maps. Yesterday we had given the map, that also you can use, otherwise you can write. This all of you should know how to write. Done? This is easy. All of you understood how to write this? Please ask me if you have any doubt in this. See, this is this line, 0 degree line, like this. 0 degree, prime meridian. Prime meridian, 0 degree is passing through this. This is called as GMT, I told you. Greenwich Meridian Time. Time around the world is calculated with reference to this line. Okay. So, this is east. You can see India is in the east. This is west. America, North America, South America is here. This is Antarctica below. Okay, clear? This is good. Any doubt in this? Because in exam also, when they ask you a time zone question, you should be able to write this 15, 30, 45, 60. Some students, what they do, they skip some number in the middle and they go wrong. Very silly mistakes will happen in the exam. Now you are very alert, but in exam you will panic. 15, 30, 45, you will miss out. Some people think that they can do it in the mind. That also they'll go wrong sometimes. Be careful with that. Okay. So you should make sure that you write this. In the last two sheets, rough sheet will be there. In the question booklet, there you can do this. Okay. This topic is universal. It will come in all exams on earth. Whether you are writing MBA, CAT entrance, they'll ask. Any foreign entrance exam you write, they'll ask. You got it? You're writing TOEFL or IELTS. Any exam you write, foreign exams, they'll ask. UPSC, yes. Central services, yes. Your state service exam, they'll ask. Okay. As a result, this topic is universal for everyone. So, we all know sun rises in the east because earth rotates from west to east, correct? Earth spins from west to east. So, sun rises first where? East, this side. Like Russia, Japan, North, Australia, New Zealand, this side. All of you notice the board from now on. So, sun rises here means what? Day begins here. Correct? First daylight begins here, this side. So, the places to the east of GMT here are ahead in time. They are ahead. The places which are in the west, this side, they are behind. They are behind. Please remember this. The places to the east are ahead. Places to the west are behind. Behind in time. So, this should be clear to all. Okay. So, notice India here. We are here. Okay. All of you pay attention. All eyes on the board now. Notice 75 to 90 is 15 degree gap. Okay. So notice that the between 75 to 90, between 75 to 90 it is 15 degree. Half of it, take half, that is you'll get 82 and a half. 82 and a half degree east is Indian standard meridian. Indian standard longitude is this number. All of you understood this here? In दोनों के बीच में what is it gap? 15 degree. 15 का half कितना? 7 and a half. 7 degree 30 minutes. You take 75 plus 7 degree 30 minutes you add. You will get 82. You will get 82. 82 and a half degree east is Indian standard meridian. If somebody asks you what is Indian standard longitude or meridian, you should say which number? This number. Okay, please remember. This you should not forget. East also. Why? India is in the east. East. We are in the east. 82 and a half degree east. Okay, see here now. All of you have noticed the board, please. From here, from prime meridian, we are here. That means we are ahead than this line. How many hours here? This is 1 hour. 1. 15 degrees 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this is half. Because each 15 degrees 1 hour. So we are GMT plus 5:30. See here, 5:30. So Indian time zone is GMT plus 5:30. If they ask you what is Indian time zone, you should say GMT plus 5:30. Means we are 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. All of you understood? If they ask you what is that longitude, meridian, this number, Indian meridian. If they ask you what is the time zone of India, GMT plus 5:30. This nobody will, if they ask you the question also in the exam, they will not give this information, they will not give. You should know. Because we are in India. We are citizens of India. So we should know GMT plus 5:30. And 82 and a half degree east is our meridian. This is standard. In the questions, whenever they ask, they will not mention this information. Okay? Please remember this and this. GMT plus 5:30. Why 5:30? All of you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. 5 and a half. Oh, sorry, 45. Notice this. Okay? This also is clear now. Now we will see, we'll take the time, let's say 8:30 now, AM. Okay, what is the date? 22nd, huh? Day before yesterday, 22nd, correct. July. Okay, Wednesday. Okay. In the day before yesterday's class, I was talking about time, how to mention time and all. Okay, that I'll mention quickly. All of you see the board again, one more time. Any day or date, like 22nd July, that is Wednesday today. When did it change? The calendar changed when? Midnight, 12 o'clock. Exactly midnight, the calendar date changes. From 1 midnight till next 12 midnight. Will be in the same date and day. Correct? This all of you know. 24 hours. Exactly in the middle, now 12 o'clock. That is the time we call it as noon or midday. Because that divides the day into two parts. 12. So this midday means meridian. Mid. Correct. Day, diem. Mind the spelling. Don't confuse this with meridian. Okay. Meridian. Diem means day. Midday. So whenever you say time, from midnight to 12 noon, you should say AM. After 12, you should say PM. AM, PM. A anti meridian, M. This spelling. P, post meridian. Okay, please remember this. Ante means before noon. This meaning is before noon. This is afternoon. That is the reason when you are wishing someone till 12 you say good morning only. Exactly 12 onwards you say good afternoon. Post 5 o'clock you say good evening, or post 4 you can say good evening. Okay. So AM PM should be clear to all. That means exactly midnight. Midnight you can say 12 AM. Exactly midnight you can say it as 12. Exactly noon you can say 12 AM or PM here. Okay, please remember this. Noon I will write 12 PM here. Okay, this should be clear to all. When to say AM, when to say PM. I think this is clear. First day only we discussed this. So now the time is 8:30 we can say. Okay, or we can say 9. We can take 9 because by the time we finish this topic it will be 9. Okay. So this is clear to all. Those who missed the class, please write down. Be careful with the spelling also. This is not I, the E. Okay. If you write ANTI, it means opposite. This is ANTE. Okay. Clear? I'll go back here. We'll take it as 9 only. Okay. 9 AM, Wednesday, 22nd July. Why am I taking Indian time? Because we are in India. And this is our time zone we know. Correct? So once we know this, we can calculate time around the world. All you have to know is this. If you have understood this, we can tell time now. Whenever from here, I have to tell time in London now. Let's say, what is happening in London or what time is London here. So, notice this all of you please. Whenever you are going east, you add. Whenever you are going west, you subtract. Because these places will be behind. These places will be ahead. All of you notice this please. Eyes on the board. From India, you have to go backwards now. That is already 9 o'clock, you know. This 9 means here 8:30. Here 8:30. Correct here. Then 7:30, 6:30, 5:30, 4:30, 3:30. Now 3:30 AM now. Where? Along this line. 3:30 AM. Along 0 degree here. GMT. That means any country coming here will be having what time now?